All right, let's go install this Master Lock trailer coupler lock. Here we are. Blue. All right. It's got a couple of keys. So this should go in here. Let's see. All right, so you unlock it, it slides out, put it in, latch this down. Let's see. Now that's in there, it can't come out. No one can hook up to your trailer. So yeah, it doesn't matter if this is in the locked or unlocked position. This is in here locked in, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then, simple as that. There it is.